buddy Warbeard here. I'm out here with Dark011, and we're on a little quest here. I don't know if you heard of these guys on Instagram, but they're called the motorcycle picture game, @motorcycle picture game. And what you do is you, each day, they got different people and challenges. It's a way to get out and explore your area, find things around your area, and make it fun. You know, compete against other people on Instagram. So what you do is my current challenge is I have to find a hay bale to take a picture next to. The previous one was a gun store. So each person, as soon as you take your picture, you tag them, you put all the hashtags that you need into your picture, and then you put down a new challenge for the next person. So first person that gets this, she was all looking at me kind of funky. So first person who gets this, oh, what can I say? I'm sitting here talking to myself, and the girl's like, "What the fuck?" Yeah, shiny. Oh yeah, well, you know, ADOS kicked in. Attention deficit. Ooh, shiny. So anyhow, each person that goes and completes a challenge has to put up a new challenge for the next potential person to do. So the first person to post their picture with all the correct hashtags in the correct order, that kind of stuff, wins that particular part of the game. So we're out to go find a fucking hay bale in Southern California here. I have an idea of where to find one. It is few and far between for us because we're all city folk out here. And any place that potentially would have any hay bales. Oh, there he is. Huh. Any place that would potentially have hay bales is all residential. Is locked down tight. Like a nun's asshole. Tight. So hopefully this pans out. It's what we're looking for. So enjoy the journey. Hopefully we'll find it. Oh wait, I think we're too early. Yes, we're too early. As you see, I don't come over here very often, but I recall. I just put it up for, you know, for when we get off. I know the freeway to get on, how to get on, and I know the exit. Oh, fuck my nose. Peg. I smell ice cream in my helmet. Ice cream and sweat. So we're getting off here. Sorry, brah. Sorry, brah. Please be a hay bale. Cute. Feed barn. Hay bales! Hay bales! I'm gonna win this challenge! Ah! You don't know how excited I am. Maybe you do. I'm really excited. I'm gonna win. Did you get hit by something? Yeah. Oh, your poor tender arm. Yes, I won the game. I won the game. Yeah, they just posted on my Instagram post. Huzzah! Suck it, man. They gave me pity. I'll take the pity. Can you dig it?